One thing that tells you a lot about yourself as a cellist and your discipline, what do you think? The way you treat your instrument, the way you practice, of course, a lot of the things, the way you hold yourself, your general psychology, what's going on in here. But on a more basic level, you're looking at your scores, like if you're looking at something like this, how much fingering there is going on, how many notations are going on in something like of this nature, right? But there's another thing that is often not talked about. So I'm going to ask a question right now. If you are watching this, where's your metronome? And if it takes you this amount of time to find it, if it's right there, then you are, in my opinion, a quite organized and dedicated student. See, there you go. And that doesn't work if you say, like this student has just said, well, it's right here, but I just don't know how to work it. It doesn't have batteries. That doesn't work either. It needs to work. It's such a simple litmus test. If you simply ask yourself, where's my metronome? If you can reach for it and turn it on, then you are a pretty good cello student. Put batteries in it. Yes. Is it a metronome? It says metronome and tuner. Right, so we're going to discover how to use it. You're going to become worlds better as a player as long as you use the metronome part of your tuner and get a standalone metronome, okay? Because phones, like I just got a notification on this, phones are distracting. That is not a metronome. Get yourself a metronome tuner, something like this cork thing. Okay, all right, that's enough. Thank you, let's work on this. Let's put some batteries in this. Let's discover the other side of the tuner, which is the metronome.